G'day! This morning I went back down to Makara Beach, which is about 10 minutes drive from where I live. And the reason I went back there again is when I went there last time to film this video here, there was a great shot and I kind of chickened out. So I thought, hey, I'll go back down there this morning and see if I can get the shot again. And when I first arrived down there, it was awesome. There were these orcas feeding right in the first bay that I arrived to. And as a photographer, it's quite strange. And I think it almost says there's hope for me as a human, because for the first couple of minutes, I just stood there watching them as they sort of patrolled in around the rock pools here. And then after a couple of minutes, I was like, oh my gosh, I got a camera. I need to start filming this. And then I couldn't get the exposure right and I couldn't get it to focus. So the shots you're seeing now are what I got. Anyway, let's get to the drone flight. Wow, it's cold down here again today. Yet again, I forgot to put the sticks in. I think that's the most annoying part about these sticks. Okay, well that was just a bit of a look over the bay, and now we're going to head up the top to try and get that shot that I was after. Let's see how that goes. Okay guys, this is the shot I wanted to get the other day. Let's see how it goes. We're going to come straight past and punch out to the Pacific. Let's do it. Right out here on the edge of the Pacific Ocean, Te Moana Nui a Kiwa, and it's just a beautiful spot. I've come down here right at daybreak to see how it goes, and hopefully that drone comes back from the circle move, and it looks like it is. Gee, it's windy. That's it. That was the second flight of the DJI Mini SE. How did it go? It was okay. The wind was pretty strong where I went. I went right down to the coast in one of the windiest spots in Wellington, so that's only to be expected. And I did actually notice the aircraft signals start to bug out about 500 meters distance, which was a bit of a demoralizer, because when they talk about things like the range of 4 kilometers, you know, that is an effective range in ideal conditions. And so in a lot of cases, you're not going to get that. But that's all good. If you want the longer range, that's why you buy the DJI Mini 2. For me, even once they start to get out of my eyesight or like beyond where I can see, even though I can still track it on the screen on the camera, I still have this like anxiety that it's getting too far away. So I'm pretty happy having the shorter range. It'll do me for now. Wow, but the greatest thing was seeing those orca feeding in the bay when I arrived down there at Makara Beach this morning. If you want to check out any other videos, please do so. Just here. Otherwise, have a really great week and we'll catch you next time. Bye.